Heartsprinkle.
Hey everyone, it's Krystle and welcome back to Heartsprinkle. Today I wanted to show you a craft room tour. These walls used to be super red and I decided to change it this year for my birthday. I'm laughing because every year for my birthday I give myself a big project and then I'm like, why did I do this? Let's start off at the closet. It has two mirror doors on it, which is really nice because it gives the illusion that the room is bigger than what it is, and it brightens up the room more because the light bounces off of it. Behind it though is all our clutter things and like backstock. So I have all my drawing supplies back there and extra clay stuff, Bella's craft supplies and random books and sketchbooks and coloring books and all that for homeschooling. And up there's more storage. This is where I have to store my vinyl for now. Over here is the craft room table and we are both sharing the table. On this side is the crafting side. That side is more for Bella's schoolwork. This used to be my dad's workbench and I redid the top of this last year around my birthday. It's kind of nice because I have part of him with me in the place where I create. So I thought that was really cool. I store my most used polymer clay in this bin. I do have lotion all the time here because the polymer clay dries out my hands. This tile is what we bake on if we need flat pieces. And this is my notes for like requests and orders. Some random Joann's ad right there. The Otlight. This holds all the tools I use regularly when I'm doing polymer clay work. And this side is just Bella's books and workbooks that she uses daily. Over here I'm currently storing my finished hooks. That way when they're drying, it's out of the way. This is the hook stand that I made. And this has all the hooks that are currently for sale right now. My letter board, I try to put a quote on there for display, but I usually try to use it for photos. In the old room, I had these. I kept those and just got new curtains. I was trying to save money and reuse some of the stuff that we already had. That's my trash can. This is like the entertainment area where the TV and game consoles are, and that's what stores all of the controllers and bits. I still have an issue with how the cord is right there, so I'm gonna fix that later. Right now there's a beanbag over here, and a table and a chair, this is part of the crochet area. This is my main table now. I am switching everything to my crochet stuff, and that's why like majority of the room is concentrated on crochet. I'm switching this channel to more crochet related things. If you guys want to see drawings and stuff, let me know in the comments below. I didn't get that much feedback on my artwork, so I'm kind of like listening to you guys and giving you what you like, which is my most popular things is crochet stuff. So I'm going to stick with that for a bit and see what you guys think. If you would like to see me do more drawings and art related things, I'm considering opening a different channel for that. But like I said, write in the comments down below what you guys think and what you'd like to see. So back in the seating area, I wanted to get two chairs, one for me and one for Annabelle, but I couldn't decide what chair I wanted. This one has no arms. The one I wanted with arms was $100 more. This one is just as comfortable. It's just, you know, like I said, the price. So if I do get another one, I might get the one with arms and give this one to Bella. I don't know, but right now she's sitting in the beanbag, and this is what I have displayed because it keeps me motivated. Alright, let's check out what I have on this table. I have a candle, a lighter, this little bottle charm that Natasha from Hook You made for me. Set that there. I have my dot mandala Orby thing that I painted. This pincushion that Kathy's Cozies made for me, and I put it on top of this pot. Normally I have like my tags in there, but right now I just realized that it fits, so I'm going to use it like this. And then I have this display for some of the hooks that I feel like displaying. I find it very motivational when I see cool hooks, you know, it keeps me motivated and inspired to keep doing what I do. My friend Christine made this for me. I really, really love bees. So it's perfect that, and then she made it on blue with a pink heart, which I thought was super cute because it totally goes with my room. I have my tumbler always with me that I got from OVW. Bella picked out this cat plushie thing. I have my scissors and travel scissors and stitch marker stuff here. Mostly use pens, my bullet journal, my ideas book, some of my bills you don't need to see, my travel journal for ideas, my iPad Pro with my pencil, and over here I have my crochet case. It's for on the go. I have a tutorial for that for you guys. It'll be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. And here's the crochet chair. I also use this whole area, the rug, the chair, on all this for crochet like reasons. Everything has a purpose in this room, and the biggest thing about this is that it's my background or prop or whatever for my pictures and videos. So remember those big projects I keep telling you that I give myself? Well, this is another one. And I did that the same time as I did the room, but this was an old entertainment center that had the doors that opened up and you slid them inside. So I had to gut it all out, repaint it. I had to build this cube storage in here, and it's kind of like not the best, but it's for me. I'm very happy with how everything turned out. I am contemplating on buying a bin for every box because I'm not sure if I'm happy with how this looks. It looks cool because it gives it a pop of color, so I don't know, I might just stick with these bins. Right now they're just kind of randomly stashing extra yarn, so that's what those are. Down here I am storing my Cameo, my yarn bowl, and Cameo tools. Yarn bowls, I should say. There's more than one bowl there. My work in progress blankets and stuff. I'm like doing a pattern for those. And then here is like gonna be my new product shelf. The reason why I'm doing that is so in case I need to do a video. Also because I need to find homes for them whenever I buy new stuff. This side has my first quilt I ever made. This one's my daughter's blanket. Surprisingly, as a crocheter, I don't have a crocheted blanket for myself, and I need to fix that this year. Here is some yarn ends that I cut off. I'm thinking about figuring out what to do with that. I'm pretty sure I can reuse it for something. Here are some pins that I am collecting. I'm making something for them. This isn't all of them, but I'm making something to either store them in. This is a super cute pin that I got from Ruth. I love it. That has like all these pens that I use, like my absolute favorite pens. These are my eyes storage from this website. I only get my eyes from them. And these drawers have very random, misplaced things that I haven't found homes for them yet. This I got from one of my old crochet friends from when I first started crocheting. It means a lot to me. I don't use the charms in it very often, but it's just very sentimental because she's the one who got me started crocheting, and that friend of mine is Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. I still have your gift from a long time ago. And here's some more random stuff. I just need to organize it. They're just bigger tools, but like tools you don't use too often in crochet, so very random in there. And here are like tags, some stuff that I need for my shop, and more eyes, or eyes that I don't use as often, alligator clips, a whole bunch of little squeaky things. Right here I was going to store like my binders and stuff that has some of my printed patterns like this, but I can't find it right now, but yeah, that's what I was going to put there. I had to take out all my stuff to redo this room, and I didn't realize how much whips I had. So this is all whips that I'm going to do first because they're going into the shop. And then these are more whips that I need to finish. It's kind of a shame how much, if you're a crocheter, you probably know, sometimes you just stop crocheting that project and come back to it. So some of the, if you haven't noticed, some of the storage things on this tier, cart tier, has these. It's because I can just pick it up and go over there and crochet. So instead of grabbing a whole bunch of squares and stuff, I'm gonna leave that there. I grabbed the bin, so that's what's going on there. And I only have 4 out of the 6 that are like that. Here's something new I'm trying out. I'm just hanging my finished jellyfish. This one my friend Kathy made for me, so this one's gonna stay there. But these other ones are going into the shop, and I feel like it'll just motivate me to keep going and finish all these whips that I have going on. Oh, and my friend Natasha made this for me too. But Bella and I are sharing that one. I have a random bag over there. Of course, it has a bee on it. Had to get it. And up there is more storage. But those are just big things like pillows and the big bag of fluff. Just, oh, and the Bernat yarn is that whole pink bag. The rest of my Bernat yarn. I didn't want it to take up all this. So yeah. I hope you guys like this craft room tour. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of all the changes. Not with just my craft room, but my channel in general. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!